At Downing IP, we have an in-depth knowledge of the patent systems and the trademark systems of the world, and we want to use that knowledge to help our clients achieve whatever business objective they are aiming for.
I'm Andrew Fleming. I'm the Managing Director of Seasons Catering Company Limited. We're a local family business that cater for weddings, parties, bar mitzvahs, birthdays, and we also have a shop in Old Amersham. We really wanted to add a lot of value to the business. We felt that we'd been working for so long making something of Seasons that we felt there must be a need for us to be able to register it to protect it for the future.
The fact that a business has been trading happily for years or even decades doesn't mean there aren't going to be any trademark disputes in its future. Registering the trademark now, before you have a problem, means that you are ready to deal with that problem if it should arise. It also means you've recorded the intellectual property that the business owns as an asset of the business and set your business up for the future to be resilient and future-proof.
Fortunately, when we decided to register the trademark, only a number of months later, I think it was about 10 months, Michael reported back to us and told us that an Indian company had proposed to launch a new company called Seasons Catering in London, and they were looking to register the trademark. Michael was on it very quickly, dealt with it very quickly, and reported back to me to say that he managed to stop this.
Because Seasons had their trademark already registered, it was a simple, straightforward 1 or 2 letters to the other side to point this out to them. There were no real arguments that they could make in defence, so it settled very, very quickly.
This suddenly made me fully aware that actually, had we not registered our trademark with Michael, with his advice, we would have found ourselves in a situation potentially of having to change our name. Something that I don't think the three of us, the owners, really had anticipated could ever happen. Working with Michael at Downing IP meant that we had somebody who explained every step of the way. Michael really took an interest in what our business was about. Rather than just selling me an idea and a concept, he helped me through each stage and made sure that we really only looked at trademarking the word Seasons. This was the key thing. Michael made it very smooth, he made it very easy, and actually, in comparison to the price we paid getting the trademark registered, I think we would have been in an awful position now had we had to change our name going forward for our business. Michael really proved that actually doing a trademark was very easy with someone of his capability. I would highly recommend Michael to anybody.
Seasons Catering is a classic example of the kind of company that should be registering their trademark. As a small company, it can be a real burden to prove that you own a brand to the necessary legal standard if you haven't got that trademark registration. But filing the application before you have a problem is simple, it's easy, it's relatively cheap, and it establishes that you own that intellectual property without the need to resort to lengthy legal analysis and lengthy evidence that is inevitably going to be expensive.